Welcome to Experience, Bay College's new student dashboard. Experience is a flexible and modular site that allows you to prioritize the content important to you while connecting you to all of your classes and Bay College's services. Content in Experience appears in boxes called cards. The heart of Experience is the homepage. When you first log in, you'll be presented with some starter cards. Experience gives you the freedom to arrange cards on your homepage as you like. You can also add cards in one of two ways: by using categories listed across the top of the page, or by going to View All Cards. Categories are collections of cards based on a theme, such as academics or financial aid. View All Cards displays every card provided by Bay for students. To find a card, you can search using the search bar at the top of the page. Use a tag to filter cards with a shared topic. Or scroll through the card collection. For convenience, cards appear in alphabetical order. Once you've found a card that you want, just click the bookmark icon in the corner to add it to your homepage. Note that you don't have to have a card on your homepage to use it. You can work with cards on the categories or View All Cards pages. Returning to the homepage, you'll see the new card appears in the upper left. Feel free to move it as you make the homepage your own. You can also dismiss a card from your homepage. Dismissed cards don't disappear from Experience. They can still be found in their category or under View All Cards. The last way to get around in Experience is the side navigation menu. Here you'll find links to Experience categories and other Bay College sites. That's Experience, Bay College's new student dashboard. Thank you for watching and have fun making Experience your own.